What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to When I Had a Smartphone's unboxing videos, and these are the Galaxy Buds that I got with the Samsung pre-order purchase that I had made previously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a quick look at the box. On the front, we got the Buds. We have a photo of the Buds and the charging case. It's got a limited time offer, not for resale sticker on the front. Some information here about the device. On this side, we have 6 hours plus of playtime, plus 7 hours with the charging case. Some of the options: wireless charging, sound, clear call and sound quality, designed for comfort and stability. Top has nothing. Samsung Galaxy Buds, some branding, and then on the back side here, Samsung Galaxy Buds with just some of the information. So let's go ahead, open this up. On the back side here, we have some reading information. Some pamphlets, little user guides, something that kind of comes with every single thing. Nothing special with Samsung, no stickers like Apple has. So that's that. As we take a look inside here, we have what appears to be a charging cable for the charging dock. As we open this up, yes, we do have a charging cable for charging the Galaxy Buds. And then inside here we have, let's see here, we got two different sizes of the actual earpieces, and then the wingtips that go on like the upper portion of your ear. We got two sets of those as well, and then two sets of the earpieces. And as we take a look inside, now this box is empty. As we take a look inside, this is the charging port. There's a little indicator light there. We have for the power plug there. As we open this up, we will see there's a left and a right bud for the Galaxy Buds charging. They got some of the contact points there. So there's that, and let's just take a closer look at the two buds. So this is the wingtip. This portion does come off for changing them out, putting the different size in. So those come off, and then for the earpiece, those also come off. There you guys have it. There you go. Just a quick look at what I have received. And I will have more tutorial videos on this, how to set it up, how to charge them, and all that kind of other great stuff. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. Just a quick unboxing, a quick look at what they are, what they look like. I'm definitely excited to use them, check them out, try them out, see how they do. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.